Hey guys, how are you today? This is Current Affairs Funda, and today I am going to explain a very important topic that is based on the current affairs, that is international stadiums. In this video lecture, guys, I have collected all the data related to the international stadiums which are in different countries. Okay, so my motto is to help you to learn all the international stadiums as much as possible. Those guys who are preparing for the IBPS PO exams or IBPS clerk exams or State Bank of India exams like clerk and PO, so 1 or 2 marks questions can be asked in their exam, like what is the position of this stadium, and this stadium is situated in which country or in which state or in which city. So in this video lecture I'll tell you all the international stadium positions and their places names. Okay, so now move for the next point. So first of all guys, I'll pick a country, that is Australia. Australia have a lots of stadiums, and first of all I'll discuss Adelaide Oval. Okay, Adelaide Oval is a cricket ground stadium and situated in Adelaide. Okay, and Bundaberg Rum Stadium, this is in Cairns. Okay, and the third one, that is Telstra Dome, it is in Melbourne. Okay, and Manuka Oval, this stadium is in Canberra, and Marara Cricket Ground, this ground is in Durban. Okay, and MCG, that is Melbourne Cricket Ground, this stadium is in Melbourne. And second last one, that is Sydney Cricket Ground. Sydney Cricket Ground is in Sydney. Okay, and WACA Ground, this is in Perth. Okay, so Australia consisting of 8 stadiums, these are there. Now move for the next country. Next is Bangladesh. Actually Bangladesh have basically 2 international stadiums. The first one is Bangabandhu National Stadium, this is in Dhaka, and second one is Chittagaon Stadium, this is in Chittagaon. Okay, now move for the next country, that is England. England also have the 7 international stadiums. The first one in Edgbaston, this is in Birmingham, and the second one is Headingley. Headingley is in Leeds, and Lord's Cricket Ground, this is the Mecca of all the cricket grounds, and in London. And Old Trafford Stadium is in Manchester, and Sophia Gardens Stadium is in Cardiff, and St. Lawrence Ground is Canterbury. And the second last, that is the Brit Oval. The Brit Oval International Stadium is in London, which is in England. And last one is Trent Bridge. Trent Bridge is a cricket ground stadium which is in Nottingham. Now move for the next country, that is India. And the first stadium, this is a cricket stadium, Baramati Stadium, which is in Cuttack, and Barkatullah Khan Stadium, this is in Jodhpur, this is a multi-games, multi-sports stadium. And Brabourne Stadium, which is in Mumbai, this is also a multi-sports stadium. Eden Gardens, especially for cricket ground, which is in Kolkata. And the next one is, that is Firoz Shah Kotla ground, which is in Delhi. And Gandhi Stadium, which is in Jalandhar, and Green Park, which is in Kanpur. And next one is Indira Gandhi Stadium, this is in Vijayawada, and Rajiv Gandhi Port Silver Jubilee Stadium, this is in Visakhapatnam. Okay, so you also need to remember the stadium belongs to India. Now move for the next country, that is New Zealand. New Zealand have basically 5 sports stadiums. The first one is Basin Reserve. This is in Wellington. This is a multi-sports stadium. Eden Park. This is in Auckland. This is a cricket stadium ground. And Jade Stadium. That is in Christchurch. And the next one is John Davis Oval. This is in Queenstown. And the last one, that is McLean Park, which is in Napier. Okay, so guys, I have given you the name of a stadium and the name of that city which belongs to that stadium. Next country is Pakistan. Pakistan basically have 3 sports international stadiums. The first one is Arbab Niaz Stadium, which is in Peshawar, and next one is Ayub National Stadium, which is in Quetta, and next and last one is Gaddafi Stadium, which is in Lahore. This is a cricket ground and this is also a cricket ground, and Quetta Ayub National Stadium is a multi-sports stadium. And guys, next move for the South Africa, and the first one is Kingsmead, which is in Durban, okay, and New Wonders Stadium, which is in Johannesburg, and Newlands is a cricket stadium which is in Cape Town, and Johannesburg is also a cricket stadium ground, and Port Elizabeth is St. George Park, it's a multi-sports stadium, and Centrium Super Sports Park, this is also a multi-sports stadium park which is in Pretoria. Okay, so the last one is Pretoria, having a stadium like Centrium Super Sports Park. And guys, move for the Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka basically have a Colombo Cricket Club ground. As the name appear here, is associated with cricket. And the next one, that is Gale International Stadium, also related with cricket. And the third one is P. Saravan Muthu Stadium, that is Colombo. And Premdasa Stadium is also in Colombo. This is a cricket ground. And P. Saravan Muthu Stadium is a multi-sports stadium. And the last one is Sin Hills Sports Club ground, which is in Colombo. And guys, move for the next country, that is West Indies. West Indies, first is Sabina Park Kingston, that is in Jamaica. This is a cricket sports stadium. And Antigua Recreation Ground St. John's, this is also in Antigua. It's a multi-sports stadium. And Guyana Cricket Stadium, Georgetown, that is Guyana. This is a cricket stadium, as the name appear here. And guys, Cairnsglen Oval, Bridgetown, that is in Barbados. This is a sports stadium like a cricket sports stadium. And second last, that is Mindo Phillip Park countries, Mindo Phillip Park Castries, that is in St. Lucia. This is a cricket stadium. And the last one, that is Allwine Sports Complex Barbais, which is in Guyana. This is a sports stadium. Now guys, move for the Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe having 4 international stadiums. The first one is Bulawayo Athletic Club. This is a multi-sports stadium. And Harare Sports Club, this is a cricket ground. And Quebec Sports Club, this is a multi-sports club which is in Quebec. And Queen Sports Club Bulawayo, this is a multi-sports club. Now guys, move for the next country, that is UAE, United Arab Emirates. The first one is in Abu Dhabi. The name of stadium which is in Abu Dhabi, that is Sheikh Zayed Stadium. Okay, Sheikh Zayed Stadium, this is in Abu Dhabi. And the last one, that is Sharjah Cricket Stadium, is in Sharjah. Okay, And guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe. Guys, one thing more, kindly note down, if you are watching this video, okay, so you just need to write down all the stadium names in your copy. And remember, one thing more, if you are watching this video 2 or 3 times, then you don't need to remember, then you don't need to write down on a notebook. This video will help you to think and to learn these stadiums. And guys, please watch lots of videos is in my YouTube account, okay, and do rate, do comment. If you have any doubt, then please ask me in YouTube section, okay. Thanks guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.